If the gradient function dy dx is 2x squared plus 4x plus 3, we want to find an expression for y. If y is some function of x, we know that we can get the gradient function dy dx by a process of differentiation. So differentiating y gives us dy dx. Since integration is a reverse process, it stands to reason that we can produce y from dy dx by integrating. So given dy dx, if we want y, we can integrate the expression for dy dx. Taking each term at a time, we write down the 2, increase the power on x by 1, and divide by the new power. The same here, write down the 4, increase the power by 1, and divide by the new power. The constant 3 will just become 3x, and we need our arbitrary constant. The second term here will tidy, all of the others will remain the same. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so we get the 3x and the c on the end.